Well, welcome to another edition of my hip replacement journal. Here we are. Boy, this is overgrown. I haven't been out here in a while. You know, it's interesting to see how things have changed. Every morning I come out, I quite often run into a young guy walking his dog. And I only know him as a young guy walking his dog. That's all I know. But he walks his dog around the same time I do, and he's here all year round. Come winter, summer, rain or shine, he's out here with his dog. And I can't help but wish that he wouldn't be vaping all the time, that he would consider and switch to Camels if he's going to smoke that much. It's just, I don't know. I know nothing about him. I just wish he weren't vaping.